what's up everybody? Sami here. When I was planning this video, I didn't know that the Xiaomi 14 Ultra would be released 2 days later on February 22nd. But anyway, I really don't want to waste all the time and energy that I've already devoted to making this video. The 3 Android flagships with the best cameras so far: the OPPO X7 Ultra, vivo X100 Pro, and the Samsung S24U Ultra. As always, I will put my conclusions at the end of this video. Please stick around to that. And yeah, you can always leave your comment with your thoughts down in the comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, as I will be bringing you the first comparisons with the Xiaomi 14 Ultra once it's available for the first time. So without further ado, let's get started.小心车！来了！小心小心！好，可以可以。哦哦哦哦！嗯。
不要，我掉下来了。
好了好了，好了，到。
I'm so happy, I can't lie.